Welcome to eiwayshop, your ultimate destination for skincare tips and tricks. In today's video, we're delving into common skincare mistakes that could be sabotaging your complexion. From using the wrong products to neglecting crucial steps, we'll uncover 7 mistakes you might be making and provide practical solutions to help you achieve radiant, healthy skin. Let's dive in. Over-exfoliating. One of the most common skincare mistakes is over-exfoliating. While exfoliation is essential for removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover, excessive scrubbing can damage the skin's protective barrier, leading to irritation and sensitivity. Instead, opt for gentle exfoliants with natural ingredients like jojoba beads or fruit enzymes, and limit exfoliation to 2-3 times per week. Skipping sunscreen. Skipping sunscreen is a skincare sin that can have long-term consequences for your skin's health. UV rays not only cause sunburn and premature aging, but also increase the risk of skin cancer. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable step in your skincare routine by applying a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning, regardless of the weather or your plans for the day. Ignoring moisturization. Many people overlook the importance of moisturization, especially if they have oily or acne-prone skin. However, all skin types benefit from hydration to maintain a healthy moisture balance and prevent dehydration. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer suited to your skin type and apply it morning and night to keep your skin soft, supple, and hydrated. Not removing makeup properly. Failing to remove makeup properly is a skincare mistake that can lead to clogged pores, breakouts, and dullness. Invest in a gentle makeup remover or cleansing oil to dissolve makeup and impurities effectively, followed by a gentle cleanser to purify the skin. Double cleansing at night ensures that your skin is thoroughly clean and ready to absorb the benefits of your skincare products. Overlooking patch testing. Introducing new skincare products without patch testing first is a risky move that could trigger allergic reactions or irritation. Before incorporating a new product into your routine, patch test it on a small area of your skin, such as the inner forearm, and monitor for any adverse reactions over 24-48 hours. This simple step can help prevent potential skincare disasters and ensure compatibility with your skin. Picking at your skin. Picking at blemishes or touching your face frequently can exacerbate acne, spread bacteria, and cause scarring and inflammation. Break the habit of picking at your skin by keeping your hands away from your face and using gentle spot treatments to address blemishes instead. If you struggle with acne, consult a dermatologist for personalized treatment options to manage breakouts effectively. Neglecting your neck and décolletage. The neck and décolletage are often overlooked areas in skincare routines, leading to signs of aging such as sagging skin and wrinkles. Extend your skincare regimen beyond your face by applying serums, moisturizers, and sunscreen to your neck and chest area to maintain firmness and elasticity. Consistent care of these areas will ensure a more youthful and radiant complexion overall. Avoiding these 7 skincare mistakes and implementing the suggested solutions will set you on the path to healthier, more radiant skin. Remember, skincare is not one size fits all, so listen to your skin's needs and adjust your routine accordingly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to eiwayshop for more skincare tips and tutorials to help you achieve your best skin ever.